Hello, and welcome to Golden Freckles Capital. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This video is for entertainment purposes only. From Coinbase Management, quote unquote, institutions are defining the new bull market. Well, that one statement said a mouthful. I think what they are telling us is that financial institutions control how the market flows. The market is absolutely manipulated. They have the capital to cause the market to move, not the retailers. And I think they are saying in their timing, they will cause the market to rise. As retailers, we go along for the ride. And that's how retailers make their money or their gains in this market. They ride the wave. It is also very interesting that he said in this article, bigger moves are happening behind the scene, which would materialize in this cycle. You know, I have mentioned in another one of my videos that I believe that there are two books or charts, retail and then the back office private chart or book. And this statement validates my theory. Bigger moves are happening behind the scene. The 1% are trading on different books, allegedly. Certain assets are valued differently on the retail books as opposed to the private books or charts. And I believe XRP and XLM are one of them. The article says that bigger moves will materialize later this cycle. I believe that means that the true price of certain assets will eventually be displayed on the retail chart. In the meantime, these assets are being traded on their true value in the private sector back office books and charts. What does this mean? Well, it means that price action will begin when they want it to. It will go to the price point they want it to go to, when they want it to go to. We know that one of the price points is $5.89. We know it's $1,000, and we also know that it is $10,000. So what does that mean? Well, it means we just have to be patient and wait for the wave to begin. And the wave will begin when they are ready. Stay buckled up, folks. Stay buckled in, folks. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing is risky. Seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you.